How Mindfulness Fuels Success, a Motivational Journey. Welcome to Motivational Inform. In this video, we'll explore how mindfulness can be the driving force behind your success. From fostering resilience to sharpening focus, mindfulness offers the tools needed to fuel your journey toward achieving your goals. Let's dive into how you can use mindfulness to transform your life and reach new heights. 1. Understanding mindfulness and success. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present, cultivating awareness of each moment. It's not just about relaxation, it's about fostering clarity, resilience, and focus. This mindset is what allows people to pursue success with purpose and determination. Before starting a big project, take a moment to pause, breathe, and focus. Use mindfulness to prepare your mind for success. 2. Building resilience with mindfulness. Mindfulness helps you remain grounded even when facing difficulties. By staying present, you learn to manage stress more effectively, enabling you to bounce back stronger from setbacks. This resilience is a powerful asset on your journey to success. When you feel overwhelmed, pause and take 3 deep mindful breaths. Reconnect with the present moment and remind yourself of your goals. 3. Mindfulness for enhanced focus and productivity. Mindfulness sharpens your focus, keeping you on track and boosting productivity. By minimizing distractions and focusing your energy, you work more effectively and make meaningful progress toward your goals. Try working in short, mindful intervals, like 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a short, mindful break. This technique, known as the Pomodoro method, can help maintain focus and prevent burnout. 4. Sustaining motivation through mindfulness. Mindfulness keeps you connected with your purpose, the why behind your actions. This connection ignites long-term motivation and drive, essential components of any success journey. By checking in mindfully with your goals, you maintain focus and avoid burnout. Each morning, set a mindful intention for the day. Reflect on what you want to accomplish and why it matters to you. Mindfulness isn't just a way to stay calm. It's a powerful tool for success. By grounding yourself in the present, focusing on your goals and sustaining motivation, you can achieve amazing things. Thank you for watching Motivational Inform. If you're ready to fuel your success through mindfulness, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your journey with us in the comments. Together, let's pursue success with clarity and purpose.